Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and set up mobile hotspot on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In these settings, go to network and internet and then choose hotspot and tethering. If this Wi-Fi hotspot option is disabled, then you probably have the data saver enabled. So if that's the case, you want to go back, choose mobile data, then go to data saver and then disable the data saver. Go back to hotspot and tethering, and there we go. Now we can use Wi-Fi hotspot. In order to quickly turn on Wi-Fi hotspot, you can tap on the slider and then the hotspot is active. We can also see the Wi-Fi name over here, and we can also tap on Wi-Fi hotspot in order to configure it. We can also generate the QR code. There we go. So we have the QR code. We can also see the password. We can go back. And we can also change the hotspot by tapping on hotspot password. Over here you have the standard generated password. You can simply remove it and then enter something else and press OK. Of course, the password must be long enough before you can actually change it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.